I got 1997 E36 right here, sit on my backyard to see if it start up. Ah, why is so messy in here? No, nothing. The battery is dead. Okay, that's small battery. This is not original battery. Okay, that's fine. Let's charge this battery up. Remove the cable. Make sure when I charge it, the electric not go anywhere. Remove it. Cool. Okay. All right. Clip in. Okay. Clip in right here. Okay, the power is on. It's charging right now. I will be right back. Okay, maybe. All right, fully charged. Let's put the cable back to start, and then try to start the car. Cool. I can feel the power more stronger. Oh yeah. I love this car. Run perfectly.